Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 26th of August. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to meet ISRO scientists to celebrate Chandrayaan 3 success. ICC World Cup 2023 tickets application and website crashed for 40 minutes due to huge traffic. 130 ambulances, 66 fire engines, foolproof security for G20 summit in Delhi. Criminal case, accused under obligation to stand for test identification parade, Supreme Court. Chandrayaan 3 rover Pragyan traveled for 8 meters with payload, ISRO on Friday. India shows the way, SBI chairman on sustainable inclusive development. Assam cabinet approved creation of 4 new districts, 81 sub-districts. Indore got Best Smart City award, Madhya Pradesh awarded Best State Center. G20 Summit, New Delhi area to be out of bounds for 3 days from September 7. PM Modi conferred with Greece Grand Cross of the Order of Honor. Now some international news. US airline to pay $30 million after paralyzed man was violently moved while deboarding. No pilots found, passengers claimed they were stuck inside US plane for 7 hours. Barnacle shells could help solve mystery of missing MH370 plane, scientists said. Global warming behind intense rains in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, scientist. Putin has no plans to attend G20 in India in person, Kremlin said. NASA SpaceX postponed launch of Crew 7 astronauts to International Space Station. And now some sports news. India to send 634 athletes to Asian Games, Bajrang Punia figures in list. Antim Panghal tops World Wrestling Championships trial. Divya Kakran and Sarita Moore strike back. Etana Bonmati, Olga Carmona, and Sam Kerr shortlisted for UEFA Women's Player of Year. World Cup 2023 general sale of tickets set to go live on 25th of August. Now news related to business. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited hits all-time high, stock turned ex-dividend. Government's top priority is to tame inflation, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Science-related news. After Chandrayaan 3 success, ISRO next plans to launch Aditya L1 to study Sun. Global warming, thousands of penguins die in Antarctic ice breakup. And that's all in news. Thank you.